All right, Jacqueline, thank you so much. Today on New Notebook, we have the perfect holiday gifts that you can actually make yourself. And Rebecca Combs is here from Design and Adorn. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me back.
Yes, welcome back. So making beaded candle holders is what we're talking about, and you're saying that it's pretty easy to make these.
Absolutely, it's really easy. We have kits that have everything you need, the beads, the charms, the head pins, even the candle. And
they're very pretty.
Aren't they? They're so cute, and we have them in lots of different colors too. I brought these because they're perfect for Thanksgiving.
Yes, they got the fall leaves there and everything. All right, so you're going to show us how easy it is to do this.
So easy. All you do is take one of these head pins and you put on a pin.
Okay.
And all you're going to do is roll the wire around the plier.
Okay.
Until you meet the bead. That's it.
Okay.
You're going to do that for all of your beads.
Oh, and you
just slide them right on
there like that.
Yeah, until it's
okay.
nice and fluffy and
that is
full of charms.
Very easy. I love that. And you can add whatever charms you want on there depending on the kit.
Absolutely, yeah. The kits are Thanksgiving style. We also have Christmas and winter. Even starting to bring in the Valentine's Day.
And something that you won't really see in stores. I've never seen candle holders like this, so this will definitely be unique.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. These are designed by an artist in Texas, and we bring them into our bead shop. And of course, we sell lots of different beads and charms for those who like to design their own beaded projects.
All right, so we have some extra time. It probably will take me a little bit for me to actually try this. Okay, so let me
give it a go. So there's a bead on the head pin already.
You said to just roll it?
You're gonna roll it around the thinner side of the plier.
Is that, no wait.
Yep, just bring the plier all the way up to the top there.
And just do it like
and
that?
Just turn it, yep, and as needed, reposition your hand. You're doing it, it's happening.
It is happening, I promise.
Look at that.
Okay, there we go.
See, you're getting the hang of it.
Very easy, and you can see that, you know, I'm not the best with these kind of things. I'm not too crafty sometimes, and I even was able to do it. So you just kind of do this?
Yeah, you just do that until you've wrapped all of your beads, and then you string them on your wire.
All right, very
easy peasy.
So tell me a little bit more about Design and Adorn, where you guys are located, and how can people get more information?
So we're in Midtown. We're the southwest corner of Grant and Swan, so we're really easy to find. And people can call us at 520-209-1900 or go to our website, designandadorn.com. We're there Tuesday through Saturday from 10 to 5. And we have classes too on Fridays and Saturdays, so you can come in to shop and get beads to go or come take a lesson.
All right, Rebecca, thank you so much. Perfect idea, especially with the holiday season around the corner. We'll have this up online at TucsonNewsNow.com, and we'll be right back after this.